Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Welcome to Concept. Today I am going to show you new technical concept about the flag pattern in this chart. Okay, and we will discuss it how we are going to take the trade using the flag pattern. Okay, first I will show you how to use the flag pattern. What is the flag pattern? And I'll show you in technical aspects how it can be beneficial for us and how many trades it can gives us in intraday and even for the positional trading. Okay, then we will discuss how I can align the patterns with the technical data. All right, so let us discuss first the technical aspects, okay, of the flag pattern. All right, see, most of the time, the market is quite dynamic, as we all know. Okay, so many times we mark support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance, and we have a perception. Okay, and we think many times. Okay, we think that stock might go like this, and it will respect the resistance, has come down. Okay, and it happens. Okay, it happens, and it is not like it doesn't happen most of the time. Okay, it happens most of the time. All right, and it comes like this, respect the support, sometimes it's break the support and move further, sometimes it break the resistance and move further. Okay, so this is the trade which we take according to the resistance support. Okay, sometimes we take the trade according to the zones. Okay, that means a particular zone is made like this, particular zone is made like this, and price fluctuate like this, and when it break out or break down, we take the trade. All right, but we wonder, okay, many times price move or gives us a breakout without any certain support or resistance or zone. Okay, means let's just say the price is moving like this. Okay, price is moving like this, then it comes down here. Okay, let's just say here there is no support over here, there is no support over here, and there is no let's just say resistance over here. Okay, no support over here, so but you can see sometimes it bounce back like this and goes like this. Okay, sometimes, sometimes if it is like coming like this, it comes like this and break down. Okay, many times you see it, you can see this kind of pattern in the chart many times. Okay, then we wonder that how it can be possible. Okay, but there are various tools, okay, there are various tools, various indicators. Okay, various indicators. Okay, various indicators to identify the trend, to identify some breakouts and some levels, but they doesn't work oftenly. Okay, they doesn't work often. So what we do, we try to find some patterns, which will give me accurate data, which will give me accurate movement. Okay, I'm not not just 100% accurate, but the consistency is maintained. As I can say, consistency is maintained. Let's just say like if I've tested it more than like 10 times, it should give me like 6 to 7 times, then we can say it is consistent. Okay, so I have to look for the patterns which gives movement like this. I need to identify those patterns. All right, so I'll show you how I can identify those patterns. Okay, now let's go to concept tool. Okay, concept application. I'll select analyze. Okay, I'll select chart, order and trade. Okay, so this is the 3-minute chart. Okay, I'll show you on 3-minute. Okay, I can show you on 5-minute chart also and 1-minute chart also. Okay, so let's just say this is okay, this one is HDFC. Okay, this one is HDFC. Now here you can see, okay, here you can see the particular stock. Okay, the Nifty, HDFC Life has moved from here to here, Okay, this one I can say there is a resistance over here and it has respected and it comes down. But what about this one? Okay, there is no support level over here and it went up. Okay, now I'll show you again here. You can see the stock moves up from here to there. Okay, but here is the resistance. Okay, here is the resistance on this one side, but here there is no resistance. Then again it went down. Okay, it went down. Here you can see there is no here you can see it made the resistance. Okay, and it went down. Okay, you can see. So here there is no resistance and it went down. Okay, you can see this kind of example every time. You can see this kind of example every time in the stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty too. Okay, so let me cover it. Okay, let me show you about the flag pattern and how I am going to identify. Okay, so first of all, flag. Okay, so flag is make like this. Let's just say this is a pole. Okay, and flag is like this. Okay, so this is the flag, right? Flag pattern. All right, so this is the standing flag. Okay, standing flag. Okay, so whenever the flag pattern appear, okay, standing flag, so I can say the stock might go up. Okay, and whenever there is an inverted flag, okay, so I can say that the particular stock or indices might go down. Okay, so we have to look for it. Okay, we have to look for it. There has to be a flag pattern. Okay, there has to be a flag pattern. There should be a mast. There should be a mast or pole, you can say. Okay, there should be a mast and pole. Okay, from downside to the upside, and then I need to say whether any flag patterns appeared over there or not. Okay, similarly, there has to be a pole on the downwards direction. That pole should be on the downward direction, not like this. Okay, because we won't be able to identify whether it will go down or go up. Okay, so that is why first condition, there should be a like standing erecting flag. Okay, erected flag, and there should be a downward flag for downside. Erected flag is for upside potential, is for upside trend. Okay, now let me show you just a minute. Okay, so now you understood. Okay, when I need to, what I need to see. Okay, up like standing flag or downward flag, you understood, right? Now let me show you. Okay, so let's just say the stock is moving like this. Okay, you can see many times, it moved like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it moves like this. So much candles are there. Okay, but I am driving only arc. I am driving only the line. All right, so here you can see when the stocks moves up like this, you can see sometimes it move like this here. Okay, so what most people think, okay, there is a resistance. Okay, it is coming down. What more people think? Okay, it is coming down. It might come here like this. Okay, what we need to find, is there any resistance over here? If there is a resistance, then we should wait. If there is no resistance, okay, it is not like you have to find it only resistance. Let's just say in the middle of the chart, in the middle of the zone. Okay, because flag pattern doesn't work near to the resistance in a greater way, because at the resistance it might touch it down and come down again. Okay, so you need to find the isolated spot. Okay, so if there is a resistance, come down. Okay, it might come to it might come to more lower spot. Okay, but let's just say there is no resistance over here. Okay, and it is moving like this. Okay, so I can say this is a flag. Okay, now the flag, it is not necessary that it should be on the horizontal side. It should be on the horizontal face. No, it can be like this. Okay, I'm talking about standing. Okay, so here it can be like this. It can be like this. Okay, flag should be like this. All right, it can be like this, it can be and this one also. All right, so this is for bullish trend. So what we do, we look for the possible breakout over here. When there is a breakout, it goes like this. Whenever there is a breakout, it goes like this. Okay, So at this point of time, okay, so you can align it with the data, order book data, which is more preferable for me. Okay, so I'll align it with the order book data, and I'll see the quantities of the buyer and seller initiated quantity. If it is supporting me, I will take the trade. Okay, so this is how bullish trend will appear. Okay, now here also, let's just say flag. Okay, let's just say the stock is moving like this here, and flag pattern appear like this. So this is a flag, right? It can happen, the horizontal one. Okay, so there is a breakout, it goes like this. Okay, there is a breakout, it goes like this, and similarly this one too. Okay, similarly this one, if stock coming like this, move like this, and there's a breakout and it goes like this. Okay, so I have shown you all three possible moves, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, one condition, okay, one condition is there. All right, so if there is a bigger candle, big candle, all right, big candle, okay, then the risk is more. Okay, bigger candle, because the stop loss will be much bigger. All right, stop loss will be much bigger, so you have to think twice before taking that trade. If there is a big candle, so it is possible that you can take 1:1 trade. Okay, or else if it is like small candle, you can go for 1:2 or 1:3. Okay, but most of the time flag pattern will appear in the particular direction, in particular trend. Okay, let's just say the Nifty or Bank Nifty is in uptrend. Okay, so there is a possibility that a flag pattern will appear. Flag pattern will appear, and it can move upward. So in move upwards, so in particular direction, let's just say you have identified the direction of the Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay, so in that particular direction, if flag pattern appears, you can take the trade, and there is a possibility that you will get huge points. Although when there is a going downside and there is a reversal, or in between flag pattern appears, okay, you will get the trade. It is not like the flag pattern won't appear, you will get the trade, but the points as compared to trending market will be very much low. We all know that. Okay, so this is what I want to explain about it. Okay, that when to take the trade. All right, when to take the trade and how we can take the trade. Okay, so this is of bullish trend. All right, now let me show you an example. So you can see HDFC Life over here. Okay, and I want to show you how I have created the flag pattern. All right, now here it is clearly visible, the flag pattern. Okay, you can see the price is moving up from here to here. All right, so this is the pole, or I can say this is the mast pole, and this one will be the flag. So over here you can see the flag pattern appeared like this. Okay, there is a breakout on this particular candle. And I will keep my stop loss over here. All right, you can see in the order book data also there is a green spike. So there is a possibility that this breakout will be success. And you can see the price has moved from here to here. Now here I am going to keep the target for 1:2 or 1:3, but you can see there is a resistance over here. Okay, so my first realistic target will be here. You can see it has touched over here. So I have taken the trade. At 710 rupees, and my target will be 716. So you can say nearly 1% move, and I had to square it off because there was a resistance and the price was retracing. You can see that. Okay, so this is the perfect example of upside direction using the flag pattern. Okay, you can see the flag pattern. All right, this is how I have taken the trade. All right, now let me show you another one. Okay, in the same script, just a minute. the same screen. Okay, let me take you. All right. Now here you can see the price is coming down. Price is coming down and there is a flag pattern. All right. So let me show an example here. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Here you can see the price is coming down like this. Price is coming down like this, and you can see there is a pattern. Okay, big pattern. If I'll show you big pattern, the big pattern is over here. But the small pattern, if I'm looking for intraday trade, you can see the price is coming like this and it has moved like this. So this one is a flag. This one is a mast. You can see this one is a flag. This one is a mast. All right. You can see it is coming down and there is a breakdown. There is a breakdown. Okay, there is a breakdown. If the candle is bigger, you don't want to take the trade, you can take the trade over here. Okay, and market closes over here. So I get considerable amount of profit. Let's just say I have taken the trade at 721. It is like 716. Okay, so this is how flag pattern appears in the stock. Okay, now let me show you with Bank Nifty example. Okay, let me show you the Bank Nifty example. I'll go to chart. I'll click Bank Nifty. Just a minute. Bank Nifty. Okay. So Bank Nifty. Now I'll show you Bank Nifty. You can see. All right. You can see the flag pattern. Okay. In 3 minutes. Even in 1 minute you will get it. But here I got it in 3 minutes. Okay. Can see how the price is moving like this. Flag appear over here and there is a breakout. Okay, there is a breakout. Again bullish trend. Again you can see there is a resistance. I will book my profit over here. I'll book my profit over here, and this is how I got the target. This is how I got the trade. Okay, there should be clear visible. You cannot take trade in between. Okay, you cannot take trade in between. There should be clear visible mast and the flag pattern. Then only you can take the trade. Okay, this is how you are going to take the trade, by using the flag pattern. Okay, I think I got only one. All right, now let me show you how I can take the trade using flag pattern in the bearish direction. Using the bearish direction. Okay, now let's go to the blackboard. Okay, now okay, for bearish direction. All right, as I told you, okay, the mass should be on downside, flag also should be on downside. So it will appear like this, might be price coming like this. Okay, so it will move like this. There is a possible breakdown, and here you can take the trade. Okay, sometimes it's come like this. So horizontal, possible breakdown, and you can take the trade. Sometimes it comes like this. Okay, I'll show you over here. Come like this, and it make pattern like this. Okay, so when it's breakdown, you can take the trade, further breakdown. All right, so all three patterns will appear in the stock, and you can take the trade in all three patterns. You can see. All right, so I have shown you about this one. Okay, this is the flag. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, you can see clearly, so you can note it down. Okay, you can check how this flag patterns appears in indices or in the stocks, and you could have taken the trade according to that. Okay, once again, please follow the step. Okay, see the resistance support. If there is a target, book the target, and this should appear in between those. Okay, it is not near to the resistance support, don't go for it. If it is between the between the two bigger zone, you can go for the trade. Okay, now let me show you. All right, I'll go to concept tool again. Okay, now the flag pattern over here, if I'll say the small patterns, okay, very small, okay, I can see it over here, very small. All right, very small. So what I'll do, I'll just mark it. Okay, you can see this is mast, this is the flag, very small. Okay, since I am a risky trader, so I will consider it. Okay, you can see this is very the flag is appeared over like this. There is a breakout, and you can see the fall down. All right. Now let us check in Bank Nifty if it is appeared some days before. Okay. Let us check. All right. So I'll just minimize it and I'll go for, okay. I have 3 minute. I have chosen the 3 minute pattern. You can choose the 3 minute too. All right. So here you can see yesterday's. I'm sorry. Yeah. So now here. No. Does it appear like flag pattern? Okay. Somehow. Okay. What I can see here, this one will happen like this and this one. Right? This one you can see like this and this one. There is a breakdown and you can see there is a bigger flow. There is a bigger flow. This is how the flag pattern will appear. Okay. Now also I'll show you another way. Okay. Another way you can see. Now this is not a perfect mast. You can see it should slope down like this, but it directly came down like this. So it will not appear as a mast. Okay. So here I didn't get any chances to take the trade. Okay. I'm looking for the perfect opportunity. I'm looking for the perfect opportunity. Then according to that I will take the trade. Okay. Now here did I get any chances? Did I get any chances? No, not here also. All right. So I'll look for any other okay, any other time frame. Okay. So in Bank Nifty I'm looking at, yeah, here you can see this is the perfect one. Okay. You can see here both has appeared. Okay, both has appeared. Okay, the bullish one also and bearish one also. Let me show you. Okay, bullish, you can see here pole, this one. Okay, then I'm sorry, not this one. Okay, so you can see the first pole and it moved like this. Okay, it moved like this, and then you can say it didn't give me any breakout, so it has moved like this. Okay, now you can see the Bank Nifty moved up to 52,240. Then you can see there is a mast and this is the pattern, and there is a breakdown, and you can see how beautifully it went down. So this is how you are going to use the flag pattern. Okay, this one appeared with this. There has to be breakout like this, but it moved sideways. Okay, there was no breakdown. Okay, here you can see this is the flag. All right, it should have moved like this, but it went sideways and it has given the breakout over here. So here this is not the flag pattern which I hoped. Okay, but this one on the flag pattern is this flag pattern is better one. Okay, as compared to this one, because it is quite confusing. This is not confusing. This gave me clear direction, and it went down and it gave me huge amount of profit. Okay, so this is how you are going to use a flag pattern. I have explained you both about the bullish and bearish. All right, you can utilize it with the order book also, and utilize it within the zone. Okay, don't go near to the support or resistance. Okay, so there is a possibility that the target will be very much less if you go near to the support and resistance. Okay, so this was the session about the flag pattern. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have enjoyed it, please like and share. If you have any doubts regarding the concept tool, please call on the above number. All of your doubts will be clarified. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.